Today I'm going to introduce you HD wireless IP camera that I have right here. Let's open the box. First thing I got here is the user's manual that is pretty short, so by that we can say it's really easy to use that device. Let's go on. Here we have the camera itself. Then we get our charger that is very long, so you can charge it in the same time while you use it, so it's very comfortable. And then we get some other small things here. So the camera is in white and black color. It can move to the right side and to the left side, like that. Actually it moves 360. The lens can go up and down, so it's very easy to adjust it for your place. You can put it on your desk, you can as well put it on your wall. Here you have all the things to do that. Here it is. So if you put it on the wall, you can move the lens to any side you like, so it's very comfortable. If you want to look after something in your house or after somebody like your favorite pet, your dog or your cat, if you're worried about them, it's very easy to use. You need to charge it from time to time. Here you get all the manual that you need to know. You have the app, a special app for that camera in particular. It's very easy to download it here. It's everything written very detailed, so you know how to use it. It will basically take you around 5 minutes to adjust it and start using it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.